Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Mama, I made it. Okay, time to check my laptop to open the files to see it again. I did some work on the train, but I think the TTC seemed weirder, but probably the weirdest thing today on the commute. Asking, I'm wearing the same outfit as yesterday because I can't be bothered. I'm going to buy some wood for school because my CNC appointment, which will be later today, first time ever CNCing, that will be at 9 a.m. But it's 6 a.m. right now, or just after. So I still have to buy wood, then take the train to go to school. I'm gonna get water because I'm dehydrated, and then I'll go to the shop to CNC for the first time ever.
Every step down the yellow brick road.
We have been so honored to be your witches.
Truly obsessulated.
Now, whatever way our stories end.
So after my leg feels a bit better. Oh, I didn't say, I fell down the stairs. I was gonna screw it all together. I brought my drill from home. These are a bit too long. These are 3 inches, but I didn't want to buy more screws, and I have a bunch left over from when I did the my headboard here. I can never remember. So I was gonna screw those quickly. Well, how quickly can it be screwed? Work on the actual building model, and also get food. I really hope I remember which piece. Well, I did label it, but still, I hope I remember which one's which. I'll do these ones first. Let's go back.
2 hours later.
Because I usually have to buy a drill set. It was $70. They made it easier to go in, so that's all that matters. It's a long story. I was trying to put some of the wood up and down. Walking up, it wasn't even long, just a short piece. I walked up, and I think it was my soles I've had the shoes for 2 years, so the soles were just worn out. Walking up, since I was turning, I twisted it. So now my hamstring hurts. It feels better now, but the other day I was walking oh, and I also burned myself today. The 5'2" girl.
Nice try, not even. But thanks. I like that I give 5'2".
Ooh, nice bicep. Okay.
And it's tangerine flavor.
I just take both. Yeah. You want one? Thank you. Nice. I'm thirsty.